I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated and online because account setup needs network access. Open the Gmail app or go to Settings, Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and tap Add Account. Choose Google, then tap Create Account. Use your real name so recovery is easier. Once done, pick a unique username and a strong password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays secure and recoverable. You now complete the form fields. Type your name, birthday, and choose a username. Google will suggest alternatives if your first choice is taken, so pick one you'll remember. Enter and confirm a strong password. This prevents unauthorized access. Next, verify your identity using the SMS code sent to your phone or a recovery email link. This step prevents lockouts. Make sure to read and accept the privacy and terms prompt. You finish by choosing which Google services to sync, Mail, Contacts, Calendar, so everything appears in native apps. Tap Done, then open Gmail or Settings to confirm sync status. Make sure background app refresh is on for timely updates. If an app asks, sign in with your new Google account for downloads and purchases. If something goes wrong, try basic fixes. Toggle Wi-Fi, re-enter credentials, or use Google's account recovery flow. That one tip often resolves verification or password issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.